Guys, I skipped my dinner and my breakfast because of this. Namiss ko sobra kumain yung bun, guys. Ito siya. Vietnamese roll. Ito yung aming favorite during my HTC time. At yeah, after office, go agad ako sa Asian shop. Naghanap agad ako niyan, guys. Para ako naglilihi. So, I'll show you how to make it very easy. Drop nyo lang siya dyan sa water. Water po is lukewarm or cold water. Still okay. And now, ito guys yung pinaka-basic lang ha. Hindi siya yung maggarbo na type of bun. Sa akin yung pang, ano lang, sarili ko lang. And then, this one is hutway. They call it hutway. Ganyan siya. Para siyang, I think, sausage yan sa kanila. So, yeah, I'll put 2. And I'll put some cucumber. I add some carrots. And, I'm sorry. Wait, I need to get some chopstick. Alright, guys. I got my chopstick and my fork. So, yeah, lagyan lang natin. I'm sorry. Ito naman yung kanilang noodles. Vietnamese din to, guys. Green noodles. Alright. Then, time to roll. O, diba? So easy. Sometimes you can add some shrimp, kagaya ng mga display nila, para mas colorful pag may hipon. But yeah, for me, this is good. This is how it is it. And ito yung exciting part, ang sauce. Ako lang naman mag-isa, guys. So, gaganyan ko lang siya. Nakikita nyo po ba? So, just like this. And I'm gonna bite it. Perfect. Medyo mabilis ko lang naluto yung noodles. Hindi siya ganun ka soft, but yeah, it's good. Yummers. My very own Vietnamese roll. Yan, guys. Happy mukbang. Oopsie. Oopsie, nalaglag na. And then, ito pala, guys, meron akong ready to na ano, yung kanyang sauce. But, you can make it by mixing the fish sauce, sugar, garlic, at saka itong lemon. And then that's it. Yummers. Yum. Try nyo yan, guys. For me, ayun na yung lunch ko. Hindi ko na kailangan ng rice. For today, nagpuputukan na sa labas. Kain po tayo. Tapusin ko lang to, guys. At gagawa pa ako ng iba pa. Salamat po sa panonood. So, yun na, guys. After 30 minutes or so, ang dami ko nakain. Parang 5 na ganito. And look, meron pa akong pa-take out later sa office. Yan yung dinner ko, guys. So, this is brunch. And then, this is for dinner. And then, a lot more for tomorrow. Grabe, diba? Kangkapan. Dami ko talaga nakain. Kasi uwi ko yan sa, dun kay Habi. May gano'n pa kasing half. So, yeah. Busog-lusog. Craving satisfaction, guys.